Managing your personal finances effectively requires keeping your money organized, and digital banking tools have made this easier than ever. One standout feature in modern digital banking is the concept of spaces, popularized by financial institutions like Starling Bank. So, what exactly are Starling Spaces and how do they work? At its core, a space is a dedicated digital sub-account or virtual pot that sits inside your main bank account. Think of it as a digital version of putting physical cash into labeled envelopes for different expenses or financial goals. Instead of having all your money lumped together in your primary balance where it is easy to accidentally spend, Spaces allow you to partition your funds digitally. Spaces work by giving you total separation between your everyday spending money and your specific financial targets. Within your banking app, you can create multiple custom spaces and name them after your specific goals, such as a holiday fund, home repairs, or monthly utility bills. When it comes to funding these pots, you have several flexible options. You can manually move money in and out of a space instantly with just a few taps. Alternatively, you can automate your savings by setting up regular weekly or monthly transfers from your main balance. Another popular feature is roundups, where the app rounds up your everyday card transactions to the nearest pound and automatically funnels that spare change straight into a designated savings space. Spaces also step up your budgeting game through advanced features like virtual debit cards and automated bill payments. You can link a virtual card directly to a specific space. This means when you make online purchases or pay for subscriptions, the money is drawn exclusively from that exact pot, ensuring you never overspend your allocated budget. You can also assign direct debits and standing orders to pull right out of a designated bill-paying space, keeping your fixed overhead completely separate from your discretionary cash. Ultimately, Spaces provide a clear, visual way to take control of your money, automate your savings, and budget without needing multiple separate bank accounts. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.